Bang on guys, as you see in the picture, Cred is giving freebies worth 100 crores. Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you are all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies 1. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see in the picture, we have free ice creams on Cred. You can check out. I'll tell you as how you can claim free ice creams in the later part of the video. As per now, we have got 250 worth free ice creams. First, we have got this kulfi. You can choose from the list of the ice creams. So we have chose this kulfi, which is almond and jaggery flavor. That means no sugar, only jaggery flavor, and the sweetener is added into this. Let me tell you, it's not super delicious. As you all know, NIC ice creams are for their natural flavors. You can enjoy the natural flavor. And here comes chocolate ice cream. This is Belgium chocolate. Now again, the sugar is 10% and the added sugars are less than 10%. So you can check out these ice creams. You can enjoy this Belgium chocolate chips ice cream. As NIC ice creams are tagged with honest ice creams, let me be super honest. They are not super delicious, but they are good. You can taste them. As you see in the picture, you can go to Cred, click on claim rewards, and first collect coins. As you see here, you can click on collect now and tap to stop. Once you collect coins, you can win free gifts, free cash. As you see in the picture, I have got here 6,000 coins. With these coins, let's win vouchers, free gifts, free gold, and lot more. As you see here, you can go to daily rewards and pick up a sticker. Here, the stickers will be shuffled. You can choose any of this. I've got voucher here and use 500 coins to claim free gifts. As you see here, I've got vouchers. This is Go Mechanic voucher, top assistance for your car for 1 year with a free membership. So you can click on claim now as shown in the picture and select the car for which you want roadside assistance free for 1 year. Once you select, click on add to cart and click on view cart. Here you can click on checkout and copy the coupon and paste over here as shown in the picture. Then checkout. It's only 2 rupees. Free membership worth 2,999. Okay, next you see free gift worth 2,000 rupees along with the free face toner that I have won using coins. As you see in the picture, you can click on redeem and claim free gift. You can get back and click on free treats or cravings corner. Here I have got free food and free ice cream. You can choose any of your choice. I've chose here free ice cream. You can click on claim now. Once you click on claim now, you see here your free ice cream voucher will pop up. You can click on redeem now and it will be navigated to Swiggy, and you can choose here the ice creams you want of your choice. So let me tell you, this voucher gives you 250 rupees free worth ice creams. After adding to the cart, you can go to view cart and click on coupons and paste the coupon of Cred. Here you can see I've got 3 free ice creams and click on pay 25 rupees. Okay, you may be wondering as why to pay 25 rupees. Here is the split. You can see Swiggy 1 membership 1 rupee, handling and drain fee, so which covers 25 rupees. You can check out in this way free ice creams, and after placing the order you can check this offers. You can reveal code and have this offer activated. You can get back to Cred app and go to vouchers or coupons and check out your free gifts you have won by using your coins. Right? Just you have to use the coins and claim free gifts. Free cash also is so simple, exciting, right? Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.